Hello everyone. As we are going through the organ system, which consists of digestive system and reproductive system of rat. So already we have gone through the digestive system about alimentary canal of rat. So now we'll move on to the digestive glands. So usually the glands which are associated with the digestion or which helps in the digestion, they are called as digestive glands. So already we have studied about the alimentary canal. The first one is about mouth, then the buccal cavity. So what are the glands which are associated here? So first one, that is about the salivary glands. So there are around 5 pairs of salivary glands. So there are parotid glands which are located beneath the mandible, and there are major and minor sublingual glands which are located below the tongue. And what are the functions of these salivary glands? So usually salivary glands, they secrete saliva which helps in moistening the food, and there is an important enzyme called as phthalate which helps in mainly degradation of carbohydrates. So the first step of digestion, that will start with mouth itself, because the carbohydrate digestion will take place inside the mouth itself with the help of salivary glands. Next is about pancreas. So usually pancreas, it is a whitish elongated irregular shaped gland which is located between the duodenum region, that is in small intestine, near to the small intestine. So it also secretes pancreatic juice which helps in degradation of proteins, that is how proteins are degraded into amino acids. So next we are having liver. So it is the largest gland which is beneath the diaphragm, and it consists of 4 lobes which are attached to the diaphragm, that is by filiform ligament. So usually liver secretes bile juice, and it is temporarily located in the gallbladder and which is carried to the duodenum region. So usually liver helps in detoxification. So that is the function about the liver. Next we'll say about gastric glands. So the glands which are associated with the stomach or the gastric, they are called as gastric glands. The main function of gastric gland is to secrete gastric juice. So usually gastric juice consists of some enzymes, helps in the degradation of carbohydrates, proteins and lipids. Next we'll say about intestinal glands. Usually intestinal glands, they are very much small lining inside the intestine, and they secrete intestinal juice. Even they help in degradation of proteins, lipids and carbohydrates. And there is one more organ which is morphologically connected, but it doesn't have any function with the digestion. So that is the spleen. So you already know that spleen, it has got very major function with our immunity. They helps in production of WBC, RBC inside the bone marrow. So that's about your digestive system of rat, about digestive glands.